I'll tell you folks, my wife and I, take that oath very seriously because we took it for the first time 59 years ago.
Wow.
And I know in deep my heart that DJ and Kimmy will pass that. Because I know their commitment and love for each other is going to prevail.
I love if it's just right. It's like your hands, they were made for mine. Everything is too good to be true. I knew it when I first saw you. All my life was worth the wait. 'Cause now I fall for you every day. Everything is too good to be true. I knew it when I first saw you. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? 'Cause I can't deny. Can you feel it? Can you feel it inside? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? 'Cause I can't deny.
I wrapped her up and put her in my arms. And she was still wailing. I looked down at her and I said, my first words to her was, well, hello. And she immediately stopped. And those eyes, you know, new words can't focus their eyes, but she was looking directly at me. And hearing my voice, she knew exactly who I was. And I knew at that moment, that was the bond between father and daughter. And it was not going to be broken, ever. See? But you get to this point, and you know, you're just so glad that you found a guy like DJ. And tonight, I want to officially turn over my role as your primary provider, protector to DJ. This is not your job. Thank you very much.